Let me show you how an underwriter uses your Docker report to confirm all your records are there. Knowing this will help you get your mortgage approved faster and easier. Here is what a Docker report looks like. At the top, it shows all your case information, your name and address, your attorney, and your trustee. Then below, it lists every entry in your case, the date it was filed, and most importantly, the number of pages for that entry. I have highlighted them here for you. All you have to do is quickly add up these page numbers and compare them to the number of pages in the electronic copy of your bankruptcy. Electronic records always have the total number of pages listed at the top, like here, where it shows there are 3 pages in this Docker report. Getting your Docker report and making sure you have all your pages helps you get your mortgage approved faster, because your underwriter can quickly see you have sent everything